Hey you guys, so today I want to talk to you about this gorgeous wig that I am rocking right now. I feel like I look like somebody's auntie sitting in the office like, don't mess with me with my red lip today because I did not come to play with you hoes. So thank you guys for coming back to watch another video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because you know over here we lit. We got the hair, we got the looks, we got the makeup, we got the lips. You can't forget about these lips, baby. So make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload from yours truly.
I be getting to the money. Everybody mad. I think I'm getting too much money. Everybody mad. Same old nigga from the block. Same old nigga with the pop. Same old nigga from the trap. Everybody hated on him, then he bounced right back. I just spent a whole lot of time overseas. Never let my money cause you know I want cheese. I've been in my hometown playing with the keys. When the fell off the boat, yeah, fuck believe. I know it's a whole lot of niggas that was hating. I know it's a whole lot of bitches that was.
So today I wanted to share with you guys this wig that I am rocking right now. I am so glad that they sent me this unit over because this unit is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And yeah, let's get right into the specs on this one. So this unit is a kinky straight unit. It is a nice long one. It's about 20 inches or so. Y'all, I did struggle with this one a little bit. So you can see that I got a lot going on. But I'm going to get this wig all the way together. So my unit is a little tad crusty around the edge. But just hit it with a little bit of oil. And get that crusty look to go away. So I do have a 360 wig. This is a 360 lace unit. I did bleach the knot. The knots bleached so easily. It literally came out perfect. I was really excited. So then I just went ahead and trimmed my baby hairs. I trimmed some sideburns, and that's really all that I did. I went ahead and pulled the wig up into a high bun. I have never pulled a 360 lace wig up into a bun before, especially not a kinky straight one. I really like it, you guys. It's giving me like all types of black queen type of tease. I'm loving this unit. She's real cute. I'm definitely gonna rock her when I go get my nails done because I did break a nail the other day, and my nail tech is going home. She's going to Vietnam. She's gonna be gone for a whole entire month. So I was like, let me get an appointment with you, boo, before you go. If you guys like my nails and you're in the DMV area, I will leave a link to where you can catch her if you are around the DMV area. Let's get back to this unit. She real cute. I used 3 bobby pins to pin her up. And yeah, let me just turn around so you can see her from all sides. So yeah, you guys, I did not gel down the back. I just used a large bobby pin to pin down the back. And I just pulled a couple hairs down because I was not about to struggle with that. Got to be glued in the back of my head. The front was enough of a struggle, okay? But let me go ahead and pull it down so you can see this unit down. Actually, I forgot. I need to take pictures with this unit up in this bun. Because once I take it down, sister girl, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get her back up here looking cute. Because the way I struggled, we're going to go ahead and flick it up now. Okay, you guys, so I am back. I'm gonna go ahead and take this bun out. So this is what a high ponytail would look like, which is really cute too.
Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new.
But you know what I typically do when I have, you know, my hair up in a high ponytail? I will typically just grab the ends. Oops. Grab the ends and literally just tuck them under. Now, of course, if you don't want as much texture, you can blow this hair out, or you can go ahead and flat iron this hair. But I personally do like the texture. That's what makes this wig so unique and so beautiful and natural looking.
But you know I never will. No. So I choke you down just like a pill.
This unit is super versatile. I never cared too much for a 360 unit, but I really do like this one. I never really felt the need for a 360 unit, but I really like the versatility on this one. It's super cute. And I love the texture on it. It's just so natural. It's so full. The density on this unit is super thick and full. And I love it, especially with this texture. It just looks like it's just gorgeous, healthy, natural black girl hair. And I'm feeling it. Like, it's a whole vibe. I really like this unit, you guys. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the information bar down below where you can definitely find more information about this wig. And you can find the website that it came from. If you guys have questions for me, please leave them in the comment section down below. Make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel and make sure you are turning on your post notifications. Follow me on all my social media at Jess the Dragoness. And like I said in another one of my videos, I will be doing a giveaway at the end of my videos. If I have something to give away, I will definitely be giving it to you guys. Today's giveaway, we have 3 products from Indie Hair. These are products that I literally use on a daily basis to style my wigs. It's their styling mousse, it's their firm hold spray, and it is their dry shampoo. All 3 are bomb for your wigs and your units. And I'm so excited for one of you all to take them home as a prize. You guys, so you have one thing you have to do to enter the giveaway. The only thing you have to do is share this video, and you can share it on social media, on your Instagram, on your Facebook, on your Snapchat, Twitter, wherever it is that you like to share videos. You can share it in a DM, you can share it in a text message or an email to a friend. Just share and show me the proof that you shared it. So just screenshot it and you can send it to me. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all your love and support, and I'll see you in the next video.